Welcome to Celeb Gossip, your juicy entertainer. Please subscribe and click the bell button for more updates if you are new to my channel. In a stunning turn of events that has captivated millions around the globe, Blue Ivy Carter, the daughter of music icons Beyoncé and Jay-Z, recently found herself at the center of a gripping courtroom saga. The young prodigy testified against her parents in a case that raises profound questions about loyalty, justice, and the complexities of family dynamics in the public eye. The legal drama began unfolding several months ago when allegations surfaced regarding financial mismanagement and unethical practices linked to the couple's extensive business empire. Known for their successful ventures in music, fashion, and philanthropy, Beyoncé and Jay-Z faced scrutiny over their financial dealings. As investigations progressed, it became clear that the stakes were high, not only for their careers, but also for their family. Reports indicated that various business associates had raised concerns about the couple's practices, leading to an official inquiry. Subsequently, law enforcement agencies became involved, and a grand jury was convened. The allegations were serious, involving potential fraud and misrepresentation that could have significant legal repercussions. As the investigation deepened, the unexpected happened. Blue Ivy, who is now 13, was called to testify. The decision to have a child take the stand in such a high-profile case raised eyebrows and sparked debates about the ethics of involving minors in legal proceedings. However, the court ruled that her testimony was crucial for understanding the full scope of the situation. Blue Ivy, often seen as a beacon of talent and grace, stepped into the courtroom with a composure that belied her age. Her presence alone drew media attention, transforming the trial into a spectacle that attracted journalists, fans, and legal experts alike. Many wondered how a child would navigate such a complex and emotionally charged environment. During her testimony, Blue Ivy recounted specific instances that illustrated the alleged misconduct. She spoke with clarity and conviction about moments she witnessed in their home and during family meetings, where discussions about finances took a troubling turn. Her narrative painted a picture of a family caught in the web of ambition, where lines between right and wrong became increasingly blurred. In the courtroom, emotions ran high. Blue Ivy's testimony struck a chord, revealing not just the legal issues at hand, but also the personal turmoil of a young girl grappling with her family's legacy. She described feelings of confusion and betrayal, emphasizing how the situation affected not only her, but also her younger siblings. Her powerful words resonated throughout the courtroom, prompting reactions from those present. Many were visibly moved, and some even shed tears as the weight of her experiences sank in. Legal analysts noted that her testimony was compelling and could potentially sway the jury's perception of the case. After several days of intense deliberation, the judge delivered a life imprisonment sentence for Beyoncé and Jay-Z, a verdict that shocked many around the world. The courtroom erupted in a mixture of gasps and murmurs as the judge emphasized the gravity of the offenses committed. In his ruling, the judge stated, "No one is above the law, and justice must prevail." He underscored the need for accountability, regardless of the defendant's celebrity status. While some argued that the punishment was disproportionate, others believed it set a precedent for holding powerful individuals accountable for their actions. The implications of the ruling sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry, prompting discussions about the responsibility that comes with fame and fortune. Legal experts weighed in, suggesting that the case could redefine how celebrity families navigate legal issues in the future. The verdict ignited a firestorm of reactions across social media and news outlets. Supporters of the Carters expressed disbelief and outrage, arguing that a child's testimony should not carry such weight against her parents. Many fans rallied behind the family, calling for a reconsideration of the verdict, while others criticized the judicial system for its handling of the case. Conversely, advocates for justice applauded Blue Ivy's courage, seeing her as a symbol of integrity and strength. They emphasized the importance of speaking out against wrongdoing, even when it involves family. The public discourse surrounding the case highlighted the complexities of loyalty, morality, and the responsibility of individuals in positions of power. In the wake of the trial, discussions about family dynamics, the pressures of fame, and the moral responsibilities of public figures surged. Blue Ivy's testimony opened up a broader conversation about the role of children in legal matters and the implications of their statements. Many began to question the ethics of involving minors in such high-stakes situations, pondering what it means for a child to bear witness against their parents. As the world watched, the Carters faced an uncertain future. Legal teams quickly mobilized for an appeal, arguing that the trial was unfairly influenced by the media frenzy surrounding the case. They claim that the emotional weight of Blue Ivy's testimony may have overshadowed the legal nuances that should have been considered. Meanwhile, Blue Ivy emerged from the ordeal as a figure of resilience. Her strength and poise in the face of adversity inspired many young people, sparking conversations about the importance of standing up for what is right, even when it is difficult. This unprecedented case serves as a reminder of the intricacies of love, loyalty, and the pursuit of justice. It highlights how fame can complicate personal relationships and legal matters, turning them into public spectacles with far-reaching consequences. Blue Ivy's bravery in testifying against her parents has reshaped the narrative around celebrity culture, exposing the vulnerabilities that lie beneath the surface. As the Carters navigate the challenges ahead, the world waits to see how this story will unfold, leaving many to ponder the true meaning of justice and the sacrifices one must make in its name. As the dust settled from the trial, the Carters' legal team wasted no time in preparing for an appeal. They argued that the trial had been marred by sensationalism and media bias, claiming that public opinion had unduly influenced the proceedings. Legal experts pointed out that high-profile cases often attract intense scrutiny, which can complicate the judicial process. The appeal process promised to be lengthy and arduous. Legal analysts speculated that it could take months, if not years, before a final decision was reached. In the interim, the Carters remained largely silent, allowing their legal counsel to handle public statements. Their silence only intensified speculation about their next steps and the impact of the case on their family dynamics. For Blue Ivy, the experience was undoubtedly traumatic. Although she displayed remarkable composure during the trial, many wondered how the ordeal would affect her emotionally. Child psychologists weighed in, noting that such experiences could lead to anxiety and stress, particularly for someone so young. Supporters rallied around her, emphasizing the importance of mental health and the need for a supportive environment. Beyoncé and Jay-Z, known for their dedication to family, were expected to focus on healing and providing the necessary support for their daughter in the wake of the trial. The case also sparked a broader cultural conversation about the responsibilities of celebrity parents. Many began to question the impact of fame on family dynamics and the ethical implications of raising children in the public eye. Discussions about privacy, consent, and the pressures of living under constant scrutiny took center stage, prompting celebrities and influencers to share their own experiences. Social media campaigns emerged, focusing on the need for transparency and accountability in all aspects of life, particularly for those in power. Advocates for children's rights emphasized the importance of protecting minors from the repercussions of their parents' actions, urging lawmakers to consider reforms that safeguard children in similar situations. As the appeal process unfolded, the Carters began to reimagine their future. They focused on their philanthropic efforts, channeling their energy into projects that supported youth empowerment and mental health initiatives. Beyoncé launched a campaign aimed at providing resources for children affected by trauma, while Jay-Z used his platform to advocate for justice reform. Despite the challenges they faced, the couple remained dedicated to their family and their community. Their resilience in the face of adversity inspired many, proving that even in the darkest times, there is potential for growth and positive change. Months later, as the appeal process continued, the court finally scheduled a hearing to review the case. The legal team presented new evidence and highlighted various procedural errors from the initial trial. Supporters of the Carters waited anxiously as the day approached, hopeful for a more favorable outcome. The hearing drew media attention once again, reigniting public interest in the case. Blue Ivy, now more aware of the situation, expressed her desire to move forward and focus on her passions, including music and art. Her resilience shone through as she began to reclaim her narrative, determined to not let the trial define her. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe, like, and comment for more update.